good morning to him now. Just like preying on my dude. Like, dude, we gotta take you to the hospital, baby, because I'm worried. So there's these weird patches on him. They're not on me, but in Cole, which that's where I got him from. I got him from a foster family. Says I gotta take him to the hospital, and she'll pay for it. But yeah, that's how my vlogmas is going. I got this little one to take care of. Hopefully it's just over-counter medicine because I'm flat broke. Because when I went shopping, I spent all my money, and I didn't know that it was bad though. It was bad though. But good morning, happy vlogmas day 6 though. I'm gonna go see if there's any leftover cake, honey. What happened? If you scratch me again, I'm gonna hit you. Like it just randomly moves. By the way, these pajamas are really comfortable. They're really, really, really comfortable. And they're cute because they have owls on them. But good morning. I'll talk to you this a little bit. Okay. So, watching Thor and also trying the iced coffee with the syrup, vanilla syrup. This is just regular leftovers with some rice. And I found a TikTok, like for cold foam type thing. Just mix this up, shake it up before you put it in, and coffee, which I need to make another brew. Yes, sweetie. And we're watching Thor the movie because I'm currently on a binge watch marathon of watching before I get to Endgame.
Every single Harry Potter movie in the world.
Yes, darling, I have.
You don't want to watch a Harry Potter movie?
Have you watched Harry Potter?
Yeah.
How many?
We got Dobby right there, the little elf guy. My uncle Joey knows how to draw good. Like when he drew Dobby and cause you know how when the air comes, your shirt like. And then he could do that. No, he's just really good at drawing.
We'll see, but I want to watch Thor for a little bit and then we can watch.
There's a Harry Potter one too.
I want one. Okay, so we're watching Mulan, and I'm telling him there's no Shane, no Mushu, no music. In the actual live action. There's a witch and there's a bird representing Mushu, like a red bird. Phoenix. So yeah. We're only like 5 minutes into the movie.
6 minutes actually.
6 minutes into the movie. This is pretty good though. What else? What else do you want to add?
Mushu's not in here.
Yeah, Mushu's not in there.
The little dragon.
That's the best part.
And I can't believe they took it's nothing like the cartoon animation.
No, it's not.
There's a witch.
There is a witch. Anything else you want to add? Papale. Oh. Gotta put you guys down here, but I'm going my pajamas to pay the church friends. Love you, Mom. Love you, Mommy. I have a hate and love relationship with doing laundry. Like, legit. I have a whole pack of laundry that I gotta do, that I gotta fold, but I'm too damn lazy to do it. And I'm craving food. Like, I'm hungry. I'm craving Popeye's chicken sandwich. Even though the chicken is amazing. And I might get some, but we'll see. Because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since breakfast and it was leftovers. Since this morning. Yeah, since this morning. So, good morning. Since this morning when I said good morning and I'm having breakfast. Basically. So I'm gonna do this and I'll see what I can do with food. But literally. Oh. And this little one is playing with his toy. The only thing that I left from his little thing that I got him. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys a little bit. Alright guys, I got the big, literally. I got a chicken sandwich, a regular chicken sandwich. I usually want large fries. They were out for some other reason. So I'm getting fries because that's the only thing I like. And, well, side-wise. And a big strawberry. If they have strawberry, I prefer strawberry. Or not Coke, regular Coke. Or, Dr. Pepper. So, yeah. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys are enjoying vlogmas. Pretty much chilling. I am currently watching a TikTok live where this young lady, I think her name is Michaela, if I'm saying her name wrong. She usually does movie lives, so I'm currently watching Breaking Dawn Part 2. And yeah, so pretty much I'm just chilling, eating my food. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, always, and I'll be seeing you. Bye guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 7. Good morning, happy Monday guys. It feels so good. And I'm having pizza for breakfast, and I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on with my damn recording and all that. But yeah, so that's happening today. I'm trying to figure that out. Oh, when that happens, but good morning. Good morning. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, okay? So I'm trying to fix this, and I don't know what the freak is going on. I do not know, and I'm trying to fix it. And I've been waiting for this for more than an hour, so I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah. Okay, guys, so update. I'm trying to update to Big Sir. What the hell is this one doing right here? We do not know, but he looks like crackhead energy. And now he's pooping. So, bringing my Capri Sun and trying to figure out how I can clear out the majority apps that I don't even use. So yeah, because my dumbass deleted, this is the second time I deleted, what do you call it, iMovie, because it was acting up, so I decided to reboot it and do whatever. Now, I'm having a hard time putting it on, because supposedly I need to update my system and whatever now. So, but it's a 2014, so. But I can still update it, so that's good. yeah. So. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Update on the laptop situation. I just have to figure out how to delete the system storage and blah 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 blah. That's a headache waiting to happen. Literally. That's a headache waiting to happen. But my phone is 128 gigabytes, so I'm still gonna blog if worst comes to worst, you know what I mean? Because originally, when I first started blogging, I had the iPhone 4 and it was only like 16 gigabytes. And I made it work when I first started blogging. So now that I have the iPhone SE second generation with a little bit more storage and better camera system, I can make it work as well. But that's a very expensive laptop, so it needs to work. It does work. I love Apple. Kind of want a new one. But that's another conversation for another day, and money and all of that. So, yeah. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, always. And I'll be seeing you. Bye, guys.